what's up everybody? It's Meredith Shirk with Svelte Training, and I've got an awesome recipe for you today. Easy, quick, and simple, but really good chocolate banana pops. So this is what they look like when they're done. So good, so easy. And the nice thing is it's kind of a healthy alternative to a regular popsicle because the ingredients that we're gonna be using are not only gonna help you boost your metabolism, but they're also gonna make you feel fuller for longer and not guilty about eating something delicious like chocolate. So let's go through some of these ingredients. Here we've got some coarse sea salt. We've got coconut, which is high in manganese, so it's gonna help your hair and your skin. We also have hazelnuts, reducing inflammation. Cinnamon helps regulate the blood sugar levels. And then here we've got a mix between semi-sweet chocolate and coconut oil. So about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate. Then you're gonna put it into the microwave for 30 seconds, pull it out, stir it, put it back in the microwave for 30 seconds, pull it out, stir it. You're gonna do that for 2.5 minutes. Now it's gonna be a little bit chunky, so if you want to put it in for a little bit longer, you can, but you don't want to burn the chocolate. So make sure that you're actually stirring it. It's not getting burnt on the bottom. The reason you have to use coconut oil is because it loosens up the semi-sweet chocolate. If you don't, it's not gonna look as pretty as this, and you're gonna be wondering why your banana pops are not looking as fly as my banana pops. So, when you're actually doing this, it's really simple, and you can actually use any kind of ingredient and topping that you want. So I've got hazelnuts, coconut, and cinnamon. You can actually use walnuts, you can use any kind of dried fruit, you can use nutmeg, whatever you want to put on these is totally fine. So this is a semi-done, not frozen one. These are the frozen ones. If you freeze them overnight, it's best. So all you're gonna do is get 3 bananas, you're gonna cut them in half, and then you're gonna stick them on a stick. Pretty simple, popsicle stick. Then what you're gonna do is just dunk it in the chocolate. So you're just gonna coat the banana. Again, this is really simple, and you kind of see it's still kind of chunky, which I kind of like because it gives it a little bit of a different texture, like a crunch. So just coat the banana, really simple. And then you're gonna go ahead, get it on a plate. Okay, so let it drip out a little bit and get it on a plate to the side. And all you're gonna do is find the topping that you want. So you can go a little bit of sea salt, okay? A little bit of sea salt and mixing it with a little bit of coconut. Really simple. And then, of course, as always, I am going to finish it off with a little bit of cinnamon. That's all you got. That's it. Really easy. You're gonna pop it into the freezer overnight, and then you have healthy chocolate popsicles. Really great because using banana, which is high in potassium. Again, manganese, you've got coconut, you've got cinnamon. All of these ingredients are gonna help boost your metabolism, help thicken your hair, your skin, and your nails, and also just help you feel fuller for longer without feeling guilty about what you're eating. So go ahead, make this recipe. Make sure you leave me a comment if you like this, if you wanna see more of this, and yeah, go ahead and enjoy this. Pop these in the freezer, and I'll see you guys in the next one.